Hey guys, this is Manoj. In this video I'll be unboxing Redmi Y2, or it's known as Redmi S2. So let's begin with the unboxing of the phone. On the box it's mentioned it has 16 megapixel AI selfie camera, dual 12 plus 5 megapixel camera, 6-inch screen, and it's running on Snapdragon 625, and this device is made in India. That's great to know. And this is a gold variant, so let's check what's inside the box. So opening up the box itself, we can see the device itself. So let's keep this device aside and check what else do we have. So we have 2 amp wall charger, micro USB charging cable, and Redmi is also included silicone case and some manuals. Overall the phone feels good, but the phone is built with a plastic material. Coming to the front of the device, we have 16 megapixel camera, earpiece, sensor, LED flashlight with a 6-inch screen, and this device does not have any capacitive buttons, so this phone uses on-screen buttons to navigate. So coming to the back, we have 12 plus 5 megapixel camera, LED flashlight, and the fingerprint scanner with MI logo on the back. So to the right we have volume rockers, power button. Coming to the left we have SIM card slot and dedicated micro SD card slot as well. To the bottom we have loudspeaker, USB charging port, and the primary mic. To the top we have IR blaster, secondary noise cancellation mic, and 3.5mm audio headphone jack. To the software, this device is running on Android Oreo 8.1 with MIUI 9.5 version. To the hardware part, this phone is powered with Snapdragon 625 processor, Adreno 506, and you can either select 32 or 64 GB of internal memory with 3 or 4 GB RAM variant. To the display, this phone has 6-inch IPS LCD screen with resolution of 720 x 1440 at pixel density of 269, and there is no information if this device is using any Gorilla Glass. And the main feature of this phone device is the camera. To the front we have 16 megapixel, to the back it has 12 plus 5 megapixel camera, and the phone also can record a 120 frame slow motion at 720p resolution. So we'll be coming up with more videos on this, guys, so stay tuned and stay subscribed for more videos. Thank you.